This is the elevator at some public parking garage in Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. These are Dover. These are Dover or thyssenkrupp-Marshall. Go to 1. Has thyssenkrupp lantern. This is from the 90s. Whoa. This one appears to be added later. The one next to this one appears to be original. We're going to send you up a few floors. We're going to try to get the other one, because that one looks like it was originally something else. We got modernized, and this one looks like it was original. Whoa, that was weird with the door. This is level 1. Here's this one. Yeah, look at this one. This one appears to be modernized. Go to 6. This one's slightly different. Ooh, look at that rusted phone box. ADA phone. Whoa. Yeah, this one was modernized. The other one was newly installed or replaced. I don't know. Basic cab for a parking garage. Labeling. Here it's 6. There's your certificate. There it goes, and that's it.